Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct cloud account. This prevents deleting someone else's files. Once signed in, make sure your connection is stable so deletions sync across devices. Next, open the cloud app or website and go directly to Photos or Gallery. This view shows thumbnails and selection tools. You're beginning the removal process now, so pause to verify the album or date range you want to edit before selecting images to avoid accidental deletion. Once you've opened the gallery, use multi-select or long press to pick the images you want removed. This speeds up the process. Make sure to preview a few selected photos and check metadata like date or location so you don't lose important shots. After selection, tap Delete and read the confirmation. Many services move files to trash or recently deleted rather than erasing immediately. Because of that, understand the retention period and whether those items still consume storage until permanently removed. To finish, open Trash or Recently Deleted and choose Permanently Delete to free cloud storage. Deleting only from the main gallery often leaves files in trash. Make sure devices sync. If deletions don't reflect elsewhere, force a sync or sign out and back in. If something vanishes unexpectedly, check linked accounts, shared albums, or recovery tools. Sometimes items are in a different archive. One key troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, clear app cache or retry on the web version to bypass local app glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.